Make sure you are lying down, flat on your back if you can. Stretch out your legs and let your arms fall gently alongside your body, palms up. Make sure you are warm enough. Get comfortable. That's good. Now, feel the softness underneath you and let your eyes close gently. Are you lying comfortably? Then I'll begin. I'm going to share a secret with you. Every time you listen to the story, the secret will become clearer, like understanding a code or completing a puzzle. There is a natural power that is all around you. It flows through you, and in fact, you are made of it. Let's find it now. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your tummy. Feel both of your hands moving up and outward as you breathe in and down as you breathe out. You can easily feel your hands moving with your chest and tummy, gently moving in and out with each breath. Take a nice slow breath in and sigh it out. That's right. Keep breathing. And now rest your hands back at your sides. Can you imagine that you are lying on a soft lawn? The grass is spongy and warm beneath you. Listen. Can you hear the breeze rustling the leaves in the big trees? The birds are singing, and you can tell it's a sunny day. You look up into the blue sky and see a few wispy clouds floating by. You notice one of them looks a bit like a horse, and as you watch, it seems to grow cloudy wings. Before your eyes, the cloud starts to look a bit thicker, the legs a little stronger, and it begins to shine like the glossy white coat of a real horse. And then, to your amazement, the cloud horse changes into a real horse and swoops down behind the tops of the trees. You have reached the bottom of the steps. You are feeling calm and deeply relaxed. You can barely hear the sounds of the garden above you now. It seems so far away. You feel so light and free, and a soft warm breeze blows against your skin. The little cloud horse lifts her head and calls a welcome, as if she knows you. Perhaps like a friend she has not seen in a long time. The golden grass brushes past your legs as you walk through it towards the horse. Tiny butterflies, blue and orange, flutter out of the grasses as you pass. The air is sweet and the golden sun is warm on your back. She opens her wings behind you and you feel like you are sitting in a soft little chair. Her neck in front and the bottoms of her wings supporting your back. Hold on to my mane, she says. She takes 2 short steps and flap. She is floating up in the air. Her wings flap strong and slow. Together, you float up